we're making our section. Okay,
What kind of
our section inside the dots, remember? Yeah, so not end to end, inside the dot. Go from the center, inside the dots, there's one section. Okay? You clip this out of the way. That's section. You will be doing this last, so it's this section right here. Okay? You continue. So remember, in the dots, you continue to go down in the width. Now I told you, like halfway, you can kind of cross it to make sure. But when you bring us a mannequin, it should be one piece, okay? But it is hard to look at visually. So you're gonna measure here. Remember, it's 1 length, 2 length in width. And then you measure here. So if it's equal, you're good. Continue to go down. So then I'm going to go back up here and make sure that it's 1, 2. So I know I have to do it a little bit longer.
And the first section was 1 long.
Yes, from the center of the nose, right? Because remember, the hairline comes down like a peak. Okay, so you squish it all together. Make sure you double check it, make sure that it measures equal all the way down. And then that's section 2, so 2 in width, right?
One in width, 2 in length.
Yeah. So this one is 1,
Yeah.
and this one is 1,
Right.
2.
Okay.
Okay? Now remember, this one stays wide and then it goes a little bit narrow. So we stay within the dots and then we go into the bigger holes at the bottom. Okay. So we stay within the dots and then we go within the smaller dots at the bottom. Because remember, your nape goes narrow. So you're going to be a little bit narrow in the last 2 inches. Right? You go to the side. When we measure the side, we're going to comb the hair. Remember the hairline. We're going to go from this point that we already measured into back behind the ear. Okay? We're going to set this aside. So I'm just going to kind of estimate what it's going to look like, okay? Then I'm going to come across with my comb. Remember, we're doing a straight section all the way around. So you're going to come straight across here. And I'm going to measure this. So this one will fluctuate, but this one has to be within the dots, okay? If it is not, then you take a little bit in and you put it into the other one.